Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some methods to fix error code CE-112838-3 on PS5. Method 1. Change DNS and MTU. To do that, just go to Settings. Select Network. Select Settings. Select Set up Internet Connection. After that, go to your Connected option depending on how you connect. It can be the Wi-Fi or LAN cable. Next, press Option button on the controller. Select Advanced Settings. Go to DNS Settings, then press X button on the controller to select it. Select Manual. Here, I will use Cloudflare DNS. So, I will select Primary DNS, then type 1.1.1.1. Next, I will select Secondary DNS and type 1.0.0.1. Additionally, you can also try with other DNS such as Google DNS, OpenDNS, etc. Once done, select OK. Then check if the error code CE-112838-3 is gone. If not working, one more time, come back here. After that, select MTU settings. Select Manual. Select MTU, then change the value to 1473. Select Done. Select OK. One more time. Check if the error code CE-112838-3 is gone. Method 2. Power cycle the router. Unplug the modem and router from the power outlet. Wait at least 15 seconds. Plug the modem back into the power outlet first. Wait 1 to 2 minutes, then it's time to power on the router. Wait for all panel lights on your cable modem to become green on before testing your internet connection. Connect to the network with your PS5 and test the internet connection. It's always better to test this by connecting with an Ethernet cable if possible. Method 3. Try connecting to a different network or the router. If you have more than one router, try replacing the router you are using with another router. We do this to eliminate the possibility that the problem is caused by the router's strict security features. If that's not possible, try connecting to a different internet network, such as a neighbor's wireless network, mobile data, LTE, 4G, 5G, etc. After that, start downloading the game or whatever you need to do, then switch back to your regular internet. And everything should work. This is just a temporary solution. What you need to do next is contact your internet service provider and report this problem to them. Method 4. Check the PlayStation Network status page. Go to PlayStation Network service status on your browser. Check if there are any issues or alerts affecting the PSN services, such as gaming and social, PlayStation Store, PlayStation Now, PlayStation Video, or PlayStation Music. If there are any issues or alerts, wait for Sony to resolve them and try again later. If there are no issues or alerts, the problem may be on your end or your PS5 console. Method 5. Reset network settings. Go to Settings. Go to System. Select System Software. Go to Reset Options. Select Restore Default Settings. Now, enter your console's passcode. Select Restore to complete the process. This will reset your PS5 console without deleting content on console storage such as games, apps, screenshots, video clips, and saved data. Method 6. Factory reset the router. To do that, make sure keep your router plugged in. Next, find your router's reset button. This will be on the back or the bottom of your router. Use a paperclip or similar object to hold down the reset button for 30 seconds. Release the button. Wait for the router to power back on and check if the error code CE-112838-3 is gone. Please contact your internet service provider if the problem persists. Just ask them about to open ports for PlayStation and disable IPv6 on your router. Finally, if none of the above methods work for you, then reset PS5, reinstall system software. This is a last resort, but it may be necessary if the error is caused by a corrupted system file. That's it guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.